Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use a gauge in Power BI. So you just open up your report, okay? And here under visualizations, you can choose gauge. Now if you don't see all of those, you can just click on these two arrows to expand it, okay? Now I want you to hover over gauge right here. Just click on it. And now we can bring this in, okay? You can place it anywhere on the report. Now once you have this clicked, come here to data. Same way, if you don't see the data options, click on that arrow. And now, for example, let's do sum of a profit. Okay, we can toggle this one. And as you can see, we have our gauge, right? Now what we can do, okay, is edit these. So I can come here and format our visual. But let's just make sure our value is sum of profit. You can set up maximum and minimum value fields here. Or what we can do is come here to edit, come to gauge axis, and set up your own minimum and maximum. So minimum, I'll do it 0, and maximum, let's make it 250,000. Okay, a target. We have to set a target now. Let's do 200,000 was the target. Perfect. Now there we go. We have this coming up. I can set a colors. So fill color. I can change this. Maybe let's say the shade of green. And the target color would be, let's say, a darker shade of green. Okay, I'll set that right there. There we go. And you can come here and edit everything. For example, data labels, change the colors, right? The fonts, everything, you can do that. Even call out values. Okay, and there we go. We have our gauge. And it's really that easy and simple.